Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 11 of my attempt to do a video every day in the month of April. And I'll tell you, everything is working against me today to get this video up. So it's going to be a very quick video. My computer is not cooperating, and I'm doing this from my phone. So hopefully tomorrow I will be back up and running. So these saving trackers are for spring cleaning. I am in the midst of cleaning and purging, and so I thought I would create a new savings tracker that would help to just save some money towards cleaning supplies. And I want to rent a dumpster here in the next couple of weeks. So this savings challenge will help with that. So this savings challenge comes in denominations of $5 and $10. And there is also an open option so that you can save the amount that you would like. It also comes on envelopes so that you can choose to do them that way. These envelopes are open, so you can write the amount on there. So that's it, guys. That's my video. It's a very quick one for today. Thank you for watching. Drop in tomorrow and I will be doing my mini savings challenges. And later in the week, I'm going to be setting up my new savings binder. So I hope that you will stick around for my attempt to do a video every day during the month of April. Until tomorrow, goodbye.